Hey guys, welcome back to PhotoCut. In today's video, we're going to see how to change a photo background using Canva. Firstly, load the image in Canva. Then click on your photo and select the Edit Photo option. After that, click on the BG Remover option from the left. Then go to Elements and search the background of your choice. When you find the right background, click the background which will appear on the photo. Then right-click on the photo and select the Replace Background option. And you are good to go. But there's an even easier way you can do this, by just using your phone. First things first, let's get the app onto your device. You can find the PhotoCut app available for download on both the Google Play Store and the App Store. Don't worry about searching for it. We've made it easy for you. Just check the link in the video description below. Once you've got the app installed, open it up and let's explore together. PhotoCut isn't just your average background changer. It's packed with features that will unleash your creativity in ways you didn't imagine were possible on a mobile app. To kick things off, tap on the Remove Background option. You're now faced with a choice. Pick an existing photo from your gallery or capture a new moment. I'll proceed with a photo I've chosen for this tutorial. Here's where the magic happens. Once you've chosen your photo, the advanced AI technology within PhotoCut takes over. It's fast, efficient, and requires no manual effort from your side. Voila! Your photo now sits with a new background, ready for whatever creative plans you have for it. But that's not all. When it comes to saving your work, PhotoCut offers flexibility. You can download your edited photo in either PNG or JPG format. And if you're concerned about quality, there's no need to worry. PhotoCut allows you to choose your desired resolution, ensuring your photo looks crisp and clear in any context. And that's how you change the background of any photo effortlessly using AI. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.